How to fix TikTok login problem with Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix your TikTok login problem with Facebook. So if you have been using your TikTok with your Facebook and you are facing a problem, let's say if you have re-downloaded or reinstalled your TikTok application, and when you try to log in with your Facebook and you encounter any problem related to login with your Facebook, so what you can do is, in that case, just make sure you have successfully downloaded your Facebook application. And once you have downloaded your Facebook application, make sure you are actually signed in. Make sure you are actually logged into your account, Facebook account, inside your Facebook. So once you do that, just make sure you have successfully updated your TikTok application from the Play Store. As you can see, it's been updated. So then come back once again inside your TikTok application and just click on login, and you will be seeing this page where you can see continue with Facebook, and simply click on it and it will redirect you to your Facebook profile. That means you must be logged into your Facebook account, and then you will be successfully logged into your TikTok with your Facebook account, just like that. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.